Right, I'm going to do another pod, another one from Robert Q. He said to me this one is nice on flavour, but he's a bit disappointed on the heat. Nice looking pods, two of them, bleeding jigsaw. Like I said, he was good flavour, but a bit disappointed on the heat, but we'll see. Like I say, there's a nice colouring on it, nice colouring going up the calyx there. I'll just rip the stem off that one, yeah, so we'll see. Each pod can be different, so you never know. Nice smell to it, nice chinancy smell. Quite really thick pod, thick wall pod. Not many seeds, not much oil in there, so I can see why he's saying there's not a lot of heat. But nice and clean inside. I will say some seeds, be a nice one to grow depending on what it tastes like. Just try and take a few out. There's not a lot of oil in there. It smells quite strong, but roll one there. What's there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A dozen of that seed, so there's not a lot of seeds in it, not a lot. Like I say, not a lot of placenta, to be honest. There's still a couple of seeds in there, but so we'll see what this one is. Bleeding Jigsaw from Robert Q. Like I say, it's a thick pod, so it's going to probably take some munching to get this one down. Quite fruity, slightly floral. Took a lot of chewing to get on down. When you chew it, you get like the floral. It's not mint. Floral normally horrible, but that wasn't too bad. Burn wise, at a minute it's like middle of my mouth. It's not aggressive. It's not uncomfortable. It's like a nice all over glow. But we'll see. Slowly creeping. It's now moving towards the front of my tongue. The burn it's getting more intense, but it's not unbearable. Mouth drooling a little bit. Yeah, it's like, can't describe it. It's like I can feel it, but it's not causing me any issues. Oh shit, here we go. I've had that for a very, very long time. Must be just a one-off. Still there ramping around. It's not getting unbearable, but it's warm. I'm going to say it's warm. I can see it's stuck in my tooth. Taste wise, it's nice. There's a slight floral there, but it's not, oh for fuck's sake, not overpowering. Heat wise, it's picking up a little bit now. It's moved more towards the tip of my tongue. It's still nothing unbearable. It's a weird one. It starts like in the middle and then just slowly comes forward. As soon as you finish your drink, it comes back. Say it's not attacking, but it's you can feel. Oh, fuck off! I don't know if it's like the beer or the bloody chili it's stored in that. It's not very often I get hiccups from chilies. But it's still there, burning my tongue. Give it another bit. It's slowly dying off. But it's a really good pod. I'm gonna admit that. Robert said his Death Spiral one's a bit of a burner, even though it's a runt of a pod. So we'll see. Yeah, not not a lot. No. Oh, excuse me. I think that leftover kebabs helped me get a bit of line on the stomach. So yeah, so like I say, it's not getting anywhere. It's slowly dying off now. But good tasting pod. Slight floral at the beginning, but soon goes. Burn in the middle of your mouth, creeps forward to your tippy. It doesn't quite get to the tippy tongue, but it gets there. But it's not aggressive. So good pod that one. Cheers, Robert. All right, I'll do another one tomorrow. All right, cheers. Bye.